At least 8 people have been killed after chemical gas leaked from a factory in India. The factory is located in the city of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh on the east coast. Hundreds of people have been rushed to hospital and more than 1,000 evacuated from nearby villages. Footage shows people suffering from nausea and apparent dizziness or just lying on the street. The plant is owned by a South Korean firm, LG Chem. It's released a statement saying the leak is under control. To find out more, we're joined now by DW correspondent Munira Chowdhury in Delhi. Munira, we're getting reports of several people killed, numerous injuries in that toxic gas leak. What more can you tell us?
Well, the situation is quite panicked right now. From the reports that have come in post-midnight around 2:30 a.m., one of the chambers of the LG polymer plant, it leaked, and it led to it has led to at least 8 deaths, including that of a child. It has led to hundreds being hospitalized. People, those who inhaled this gas, there were disturbing visuals which came out of people lying unconscious on the streets. So victim accounts have come up which say that since it was summers, so they were sleeping with their windows open, and they realized in the dead of the night that they couldn't breathe. Their skin started burning, their eyes started watering, so they ran out of the house, and people just started falling unconscious after inhaling the gas. So at the moment, multiple villages around 2-3 kilometer radius around the plant, multiple villages in that radius have been evacuated, and the rescue operations are still going on.
Multiple villages affected. What kind of gas are we talking about here? What does the factory produce?
Well, they're not really confirmed reports yet, but some reports say that it is the gas styrene. So this plant is involved in the making of polymer, which is basically a versatile plastic which is used in the making of toys and appliances. So the versatile plastic is polyester. So this gas is used in the making of that. And there are reports that if consumed in a large concentrated quantity, it can actually be fatal, especially for young children. So the gas is quite toxic in nature, and that is why we have seen images of people in hundreds running around the streets and waiting for ambulance.
How are authorities dealing with this situation?
Well, immediate measures have been taken. As I mentioned, rescue operations are going on. The Prime Minister has taken note of the situation. He even called up a meeting with the NDMA, which is the National Disaster Management Authority. And the same authority is also working closely with the state government, the state in which this tragedy has happened. So at the moment, it is a developing story. The death toll which we have and the number of injuries which we are hearing about, it may increase as more reports come up.
We're hearing from the company LG Chem that the situation is under control, as you mentioned. Is there still any risk to public health at this point?
At the moment, I think it is too soon to say that. As I mentioned, it is a developing story, and a gas leak is an industrial disaster which, as history shows us, has led to long-term impacts wherever it has happened. So as long as the impact on public health is concerned, I think we need to wait for more detailed reports and expert analysis on what exactly this gas can lead to and how long can we see the impact coming in.
Munira, thank you very much for bringing us up to date there. That was Munira Chowdhury in Delhi.